Hello, it is day 28, March 22nd. We are at Pecks Corner Shelter, and we're headed towards Cosby Knob Shelter, which I think is 12 or 13 miles, something like that. And looks like it's gonna be nice out today. Sprinkled a little bit last night, but not much. And then, yeah, pretty dry last night. Inside of the tent was very dry, and the sun just is about to come up. Gonna get headed out. Yeah, almost done with the Smokies. Smokies are real nice, but I'll be happy to get out of them just because the potential for unpredictable weather, and I don't know. Plus, you can't stealth camp here. You have to camp near the shelters. It's just the rules of the place. So if how far ever you want to go is a weird distance, or not the same distance as whatever the shelters are split apart, you're stuck. So yeah, looking forward to that. So we'll be out of the Smokies tomorrow, and yeah, good stuff. But all right, that's it. I'll talk to you later. Hello. So I'm mile 221 on the AT, about 6,000 feet up right now. Finishing up the Smokies between today and tomorrow. Had a couple things I was just thinking about. One was, if you watched the last video, and maybe a little bit today, those big old chunks of ice on the ground, pretty cool. I guess there was freezing rain, it hit the trees, and actually yesterday, it was like walking through like an ice maker at like a football game or something. It was pretty interesting, and it was falling yesterday, and some of those chunks were, 5 pounds plus, I would guess. So I didn't get hit or anything like that, but walked under it and it was falling. It was pretty interesting. The other thought I was having was for people who are not like really into long distance hiking or anything like that, there's two things that kind of happen inevitably to somebody if they hike long enough, up and down mountains at least. I don't know if it works on flat ground, but up and down mountains. One is what they call is your trail legs. So you get your trail legs, and I don't know exactly. I think it's probably like a combination of your lungs. You get better at, you're more efficient with your oxygen, and then, you also lose weight, and then, so you're moving less mass, so it's a little easier. And then of course your legs get stronger too, although there's wear and tear on your legs and your joints and stuff like that you have to contend with. But, so I don't know when that normally happens for people on the Appalachian Trail, but I can definitely tell, like, recently in the last few days that I'm able to push a little, I don't know, maybe not longer overall miles for the day. I guess I am doing that too, but I can push like faster for longer periods of time, like I'm, yeah, and you know, especially going up and things like that. Actually, the downs I go slower. I guess I'm just cautious on the downs, plus the knees, after a long time of going down, the knees start to hurt behind like at the patella and stuff. But anyways, I think that's starting to happen for me. I'm starting to get my trail legs. And then the other thing is, which is like kind of a negative, is you get what they call hiker hunger. And again, I don't know if I'm there. I doubt I'm there yet, but one of the warning signs that I heard about is that you start to wake up in the middle of the night and with your stomach growling, even if you ate like a good dinner. And that's happened to me like the last few nights on the trail. Yeah, and the reason why it's a negative is because food weighs a lot. So if you're constantly eating, you have to carry a lot of food, and that's a bummer. So like I've totally mismanaged my food. Like I've had between one resupply I had too little, but usually I've got too much. And this time I thought I had too much going out, and now that I look at it, I think we're even going to cut this little section between resupplies a day short. Only have 5. I'm still not too much, but oh well, that's about it. I will talk to you later. Hey, I guess this is an old helicopter pad. It's pretty small, but what a cool spot. Like, check out this view. And it's so nice to be in the sun because I've been hiking through the shadows all day. It's chilly in there. This feels great. Sorry, I got my mouth full of Skittles. But hiking on. Talk to you later.